Hey there, homeowners! Want to organize your home without breaking the bank? I've got 10 easy and budget-friendly tips just for you. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome home tips. Let's get started. Declutter first. Before you think about buying any organizational tools, take a moment to go through your items. Donate, recycle, or throw away anything you don't need or use. Trust me, this will make your organizing journey so much easier. Use baskets and bins. You can find inexpensive ones at dollar stores or thrift shops. Use them to organize items in your pantry, closets, or under sinks. Repurpose old items. Get creative with what you already have. Shoeboxes can be covered with fabric or paper and used as storage. And mason jars? Perfect for organizing small items like buttons, nails, or spices. DIY shelving. Create your own shelves with wood planks and brackets, which are often cheaper than pre-made shelves. Plus, you can customize them to fit your space perfectly. Label everything. Use a label maker or print your own labels to keep everything in its place. Labels help everyone in the household know where items belong, reducing clutter. Use tension rods. These can be used in cabinets to create additional space. Hang spray bottles under the sink or use them in closets to organize scarves and ties. Command hooks. These are great for organizing without causing damage. Use them inside cabinet doors for hanging utensils or in entryways for keys and bags. Over-the-door organizers. These can be used for shoes, accessories, cleaning supplies, and more. They maximize vertical space and keep items accessible but out of sight. Furniture with storage. Look for furniture pieces that offer built-in storage, like ottomans with hollow interiors, beds with drawers, or coffee tables with shelves. Pegboards. Pegboards are affordable and versatile. Use them in the garage, kitchen, or craft room to keep tools and supplies organized and easily accessible. So there you have it, 10 easy and budget-friendly tips to help you organize your home. Implementing these tips can help you create a more organized and functional space without spending a fortune. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home organization ideas. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!